We are pleased to show you the 2022 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, hill descent control, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats, MP3 player, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.